In the cosmic tapestry of existence, billions of years ago, a story began. A story of fire, of swirling dust, and the very first whisper of life. From this primordial cloud, gravity began its tireless work, pulling together atoms and dust, sculpting the foundations of our solar system. Over millions of years, countless collisions forged larger bodies, the architects of planets, slowly taking form in a violent cosmic dance. And so, our Earth was born, a world of unimaginable heat, a molten forge in the heart of a young solar system. This was a world devoid of life, a crucible of elements where rock melted and reformed under unimaginable pressures. Yet, even in its birth, Earth faced catastrophic events that would forever shape its destiny. Then came Theia, an impact so cataclysmic it shattered our nascent world, sending trillions of tons of material hurtling into space. From the scattered remnants of that cataclysm, a new companion was born, our moon, destined to forever influence Earth's rhythm. This close companion would stabilize our world, yet also unleash immense tidal forces upon its still molten surface. With the moon established, Earth continued its volcanic fury, spewing forth an atmosphere rich in carbon dioxide and water vapor. For millions of years, Earth slowly began to cool. Its fiery heart still pulsed, but a fragile crust started to form. Even as the surface solidified, pockets of molten rock continued to shape the nascent landscape. Gradually, painstakingly, the inferno began to yield. The planet's skin hardened, preparing for its next transformation. High above, in the primordial skies, another force was gathering. Water vapor, expelled from the cooling rock, began to condense. Then the rain began, not mere drops, but a relentless deluge lasting for millennia, shaping the very surface of the planet. This wasn't just rain. It was an act of planetary sculpting, eroding, shaping, and transforming. The relentless downpour filled the deepest basins, giving birth to the first oceans, the vast, warm cradle of creation. With the birth of the oceans, a new chapter dawned. But these were not calm seas. They were a turbulent chemical cauldron. Deep beneath the surface, far from the sun's first rays, volcanic vents created a unique environment, a cradle for elemental change. But Earth's oceans received another vital contribution. From the cold expanse of space, icy messengers arrived. These celestial travelers brought with them not only ice, but also complex organic molecules, the very building blocks of life. In the nutrient-rich waters, under the gaze of hydrothermal vents, simple molecules began their improbable dance. Self-assembling membranes offered protection, creating isolated environments where complex chemical reactions could thrive. And then, the impossible happened. A self-replicating entity, a tiny spark capable of passing on its essence, had formed. From a single spark, life began to multiply, filling the primordial seas with its silent, ceaseless activity. The first chapter of Earth's living story had begun. These early organisms, simple yet profound, developed new ways to harness energy, changing the very chemistry of the planet. Then came the cyanobacteria, and with them a revolutionary power, photosynthesis. The sun's energy, now harnessed, would transform our world forever. This simple act, the conversion of sunlight into energy, began to release a new gas, oxygen, into the waters and the sky. Great oxygenation event was a cataclysm for some early life, but it laid the groundwork for all that would follow. The skies themselves began to change. The
the breathable air we know today slowly forming around our world. With oxygen now abundant, life took a dramatic leap. Simple cells joined forces, giving rise to the first multicellular organisms. These creatures, unlike anything alive today, represent an early, experimental phase of complex life. This period, the Ediacaran, was a brief but crucial prelude to an explosion of biodiversity yet to come. Then came the Cambrian explosion, a burst of innovation that filled the oceans with creatures sporting hard shells, eyes, and jaws. Hard parts provided protection and new avenues for movement, creating a biological arms race in the seas. Predators and prey evolved in lockstep, each driving the other towards greater complexity. The oceans became a canvas for unimaginable forms, as life diversified in every conceivable niche. While oceans thrived, the land remained a harsh, alien environment, constantly exposed to the sun's unfiltered radiation. Yet, driven by the relentless march of evolution, life began its improbable conquest of the barren continents. Eventually, simple plants paved the way for towering forests, transforming the very air, making it hospitable for creatures beyond the water. With the land now green, a momentous transition began. The first vertebrates dared to venture from their aquatic home, drawn by new opportunities. Every clumsy step was a monumental leap for evolution, adapting fins into limbs, gills into lungs. These sprawling carboniferous forests pumped vast amounts of oxygen into the atmosphere, allowing terrestrial life to truly flourish. With the oxygen-rich air, arthropods grew to colossal sizes, ruling the ancient skies and forests. But environments change. A drier climate favored new adaptations, paving the way for the age of reptiles. The Triassic, then the Jurassic, the world warmed and new giants rose to dominate the land. The age of dinosaurs had truly begun. From towering sauropods to nimble raptors, these creatures reshaped the ecosystems of an entire planet. But with the herbivores came the predators, creatures of immense power, locked in an ancient battle for survival. From the lush forests of the Jurassic to the plains of the Cretaceous, these majestic beasts reigned supreme for over 160 million years. But even the mightiest reign can end. A silent threat, forged in the depths of space, was on a collision course with destiny. The impact was beyond comprehension, plunging Earth into an age of darkness and profound ecological devastation. Darkness fell. Dust and debris choked the skies, extinguishing the sun's life-giving light for years. From the ashes of extinction, new life emerged, survivors of the cataclysm, waiting for their moment in the sun. With the dinosaurs gone, the world was open for a new kind of life to inherit the Earth. Millions of years later, Earth plunged into a new era, cycles of devastating ice ages, shaping continents and species anew. Despite the brutal cold, life adapted. Giants like the woolly mammoth roamed vast frozen plains. In this unforgiving world, a new species emerged, one that would redefine the very meaning of adaptation: our ancestors. With the mastery of tools and fire, humanity began its slow, deliberate climb, shaping its environment as much as it was shaped by it. From humble beginnings, our species spread across the globe, transforming landscapes and forging civilizations, leaving an indelible mark. And here we are, a planet transformed, a testament to the relentless power of life, from the first spark to the complexity of consciousness. But the journey is not over. Our planet continues its endless evolution, a living, breathing entity. Every creature, every plant, a testament to billions of years of trial and error, a symphony of interconnected life. Every thread woven into this intricate web, from the smallest insect to the tallest tree, tells a story of survival and transformation. From the smallest stream to the vastest ocean, water continues to be the lifeblood of our planet, sustaining every breath. From fire to the first breath, Earth has journeyed through unimaginable transformations, each shaping its incredible legacy. It is a story that continues, written in the ebb and flow of tides, the rise and fall of mountains, and the endless dance of life. From chaotic fire to the emergence of its life-sustaining oceans, Earth's early days were a symphony of cosmic forces. From the cosmic dust and icy comets to the superheated depths of its newborn oceans, Earth gathered the ingredients for a miracle. The first cells sparked a revolution. Their silent, tireless work began to breathe life into the very atmosphere. From simple multicellular forms to the first complex animals with eyes and armor, the oceans exploded with life's rich tapestry. From water's edge, green life reached for the sky, and soon creatures followed, daring to take their first terrestrial breaths. For an era, colossal reptiles ruled, transforming the terrestrial world into their domain of titans. A cosmic impact, an extinction event, wiped away the giants, clearing the path for a new dynasty, the Age of Mammals. Through ice and fire, through ages of change, humanity emerged, harnessing ingenuity to survive and thrive. From cosmic dust to a vibrant living world, our journey through time reveals the profound mystery and boundless potential of life itself. The story of Earth and life is not just a tale of the past. It is a continuous narrative, written in the fabric of the universe. Before the oceans, before the breath, there was fire, a planet forged in the furnace of chaos. A world unformed, violent, and incandescent, constantly remaking itself in a fiery tempest. And its constant companion, the moon, still reeling from its own violent birth, watched over this fiery crucible. Slowly, imperceptibly, the planet began to cool, cloaking itself in an atmosphere born of volcanic breath. Then, from these tumultuous skies, a new force emerged, water, falling relentlessly upon a scorching world. A relentless torrent, eroding, transforming, shaping the very crust of this fledgling planet. And from the far reaches of the solar system, more water arrived, locked within icy comets, enriching Earth's nascent oceans. Deep beneath the surface, far from the chaotic storms, a different kind of chemistry was unfolding, driven by Earth's inner heat. Within these chemical factories, the raw ingredients of existence reacted, experimented, and sought new forms. Then, the crucial barrier, a membrane enclosing the vital machinery of life, protecting it from the outside world. And with that barrier came the miracle of replication, life giving birth to life, a cycle that would never cease. From one to many. The primordial seas became a living broth, teeming with the raw essence of existence. Then came the architects of our atmosphere, photosynthetic life. Their ancient process slowly, profoundly altered the very air we breathe. With oxygen abundant, life was free to experiment, giving rise to forms more complex than ever before, the Ediacaran wonders. Then, the Cambrian explosion, an astonishing burst of innovation that unleashed the blueprints for nearly all animal life we know today. The development of hard parts, shells, armor, and skeletons unleashed an arms race, accelerating evolution dramatically. While oceans thrived, a bold new frontier beckoned, the barren land. Life's green pioneers began their slow, arduous march. These pioneering plants reshaped the very air, their rapid growth pumping vast quantities of oxygen into the atmosphere. And where the green went, creatures followed. Fins became limbs, and gills gave way to lungs, as life conquered a new realm. And then they came, the dinosaurs. Their sheer scale and diversity would dominate Earth for epochs. Predators evolved with cunning and ferocity, driving the evolutionary arms race to new heights. But all reigns must end. A cosmic strike brought forth an age of darkness, wiping away the titans, ushering in a new dawn. From the shadows, small, resilient mammals inherited a changed world, evolving into a myriad of forms. Through cycles of ice and the dawn of consciousness, our ancestors rose, transforming the world into the intricate tapestry we see today. From the primordial chaos to the intricate complexity of today, Earth stands as a testament to the endless possibilities of life. This planet, our home, is a living miracle, a testament to resilience, adaptation, and the sheer tenacity of life. From microscopic cells to towering ecosystems, every living thing contributes to the Earth's vibrant, intricate story. This harmonious balance, however, is a fragile gift entrusted to our care. The long journey from fire to the first breath has led to this moment. The future of Earth and all life upon it rests in our hands. In the beginning, there was an inferno. Our Earth, a newborn world, forged in cosmic fire and chaos. Rivers of fire etched the very face of a world still reeling from its violent inception, a canvas of pure, raw energy. Our closest companion, the Moon, born from an ancient collision, exerted a powerful influence, stirring the molten core of our world. As Earth slowly rotated, its incandescent fury began to wane, a fragile crust forming, while relentless volcanic breath cloaked it in a dense primordial atmosphere. For eons, a heavy shroud of vapor and gas enveloped the planet, trapping heat, a world awaiting its next great transformation. Then, the heavens opened. Not drops, but a ceaseless, superheated deluge, falling upon a world still scalding hot for millennia. This wasn't just rain. It was a sculptor, carving out continents, eroding mountains, and transforming the very face of a fledgling planet. The relentless downpour filled the deepest basins, giving birth to the first oceans, vast and warm, the very cradle of creation. With the birth of the oceans, a new chapter dawned. But these were not calm seas. They were a turbulent, chemical cauldron, brewing possibilities. But Earth's oceans received another vital contribution. From the cold expanse of space, icy messengers arrived, rich with the building blocks of life. Deep beneath the surface, far from the sun's first rays, volcanic vents created a unique environment, a cradle for elemental change. In the nutrient-rich waters, under the fiery gaze of hydrothermal vents, simple molecules began their improbable dance, seeking stability, seeking form. Self-assembling membranes offered crucial protection, creating isolated environments where complex chemical reactions could finally thrive, undisturbed. And then, the impossible happened. A self-replicating entity, a tiny spark capable of passing on its essence, had formed, echoing endlessly. From one to many, the primordial seas became a living broth, teeming with the raw essence of existence, a silent, ceaseless tide. Then came the architects of our atmosphere, photosynthetic life. Their ancient process slowly, profoundly, altered the very air we breathe. Great oxygenation event was a cataclysm for some early life, but it laid the groundwork for all that would follow, forging a new world. The skies themselves began to change, the breathable air we know today slowly forming around our world, a planetary metamorphosis. With oxygen abundant, a new kind of cell emerged, the eukaryote. The blueprint for all complex life had now been laid. With oxygen now abundant, life took a dramatic leap. Simple cells joined forces, giving rise to the first multicellular organisms, the Ediacaran wonders. These creatures, unlike anything alive today, represent an early, experimental phase of complex life, a silent rehearsal for the explosion to come. Then came the Cambrian explosion, a burst of innovation that filled the oceans with creatures sporting hard shells, eyes, and jaws. Predators and prey evolved in lockstep, each driving the other towards greater complexity, an ancient biological arms race. The evolution of hard parts provided protection and new avenues for movement, driving an even faster pace of diversification. The oceans became a canvas for unimaginable forms, as life diversified in every conceivable niche, from filter feeders to agile predators. While oceans thrived, the land remained a harsh, alien environment, constantly exposed to the sun's unfiltered radiation. Yet, life was patient. Yet, driven by the relentless march of evolution, life began its improbable conquest of the barren continents, one delicate root at a time. Eventually, simple plants paved the way for towering forests, transforming the very air, making it hospitable for creatures beyond the water. With the oxygen-rich air, arthropods grew to colossal sizes, ruling the ancient skies and forests with their intricate forms. With the land now green and air rich with oxygen, a momentous transition began. The first vertebrates dared to venture from their aquatic home. Every clumsy step was a monumental leap for evolution, adapting fins into limbs, gills into lungs, embracing a new existence. As environments changed, new adaptations emerged. The amniotic egg allowed life to truly escape the water, a revolution for terrestrial survival. As climates grew drier, the reptiles thrived, their tough skin and efficient eggs allowing them to conquer vast new territories, independent of water. Over vast spans of time, Earth's continents continued their dance, eventually uniting into the supercontinent Pangaea. But even vast supercontinents bring change. The Permian-Triassic extinction, the Great Dying, wiped out 90% of all life. Yet, life always finds a way. From the ashes of extinction, new forms emerged, survivors poised to reshape the planet once more. The Triassic dawned, and from the survivors, a new lineage began its ascent, the first dinosaurs, small but formidable. These early dinosaurs quickly diversified, their agility and predatory instincts allowing them to thrive in an expanding, verdant world. The Triassic gave way to the Jurassic. The world warmed, and new giants rose to dominate the land. The age of dinosaurs had truly begun. From towering sauropods to nimble predators, these creatures reshaped the ecosystems of an entire planet, locked in an ancient battle for survival. The Cretaceous saw Earth transform again, with the rise of flowering plants, fueling an unprecedented burst of life and new dinosaur species. For over 160 million years, these majestic beasts reigned supreme, from the lush forests of the Jurassic to the plains of the Cretaceous. But even the mightiest reign can end. A silent threat, forged in the depths of space, was on a collision course with destiny. The impact was beyond comprehension, plunging Earth into an age of darkness and profound ecological devastation, changing everything forever. Darkness fell. Dust and debris choked the skies, extinguishing the sun's life-giving light for years. Only the most resilient survived.
With the dinosaurs gone, the world was open for a new kind of life to inherit the Earth. The age of mammals had begun.
Mammals rapidly diversified, filling every ecological niche, evolving into a myriad of forms, from grazers on the plains to agile forest dwellers. Amongst the evolving mammals, a new lineage sought refuge in the trees, developing keen senses and a dexterity that would prove vital.
As Earth's climate cooled and forests receded, vast grasslands emerged, prompting new adaptations and the first tentative steps towards bipedalism. On the savannas of ancient Africa, a critical step was taken. Our earliest ancestors embraced bipedalism, freeing their hands, changing their destiny.
With free hands came ingenuity. The first tools, shaped from stone, unlocked new possibilities, a monumental shift in our ancestors' journey. Then came the mastery of fire, a pivotal moment, providing warmth, protection, and new culinary possibilities, forever changing human existence. With ingenuity and resilience, humanity began its slow, deliberate climb, spreading across continents, driven by curiosity and survival.
As Earth plunged into cycles of devastating ice ages, humanity adapted, mastering resilience, fire, and community in the face of brutal cold. Beyond survival, humanity expressed itself. Art, symbols, and complex language emerged, binding communities and passing down knowledge.
Then came the plow. The agricultural revolution, a profound shift, bound humanity to the land, giving rise to settled communities. From humble villages, humanity's ambition grew, giving rise to the first cities, centers of innovation, culture, and power. From stone to metal, the mastery of metallurgy, bronze, and then iron propelled humanity into new ages of technological advancement and organized society. Through ages of discovery, reason, and innovation flourished, from the Renaissance to the Enlightenment, paving the way for unprecedented change. The Industrial Revolution, a crucible of invention, harnessed new energies, transforming societies and reshaping Earth's landscapes at an unprecedented pace. From the smoke of factories to the glow of digital screens, humanity built an interconnected world, powered by information, transforming life itself.
Yet, with this power comes profound responsibility. Our collective choices now echo across the planet, shaping its future. Yet, even now, with every challenge, there is hope. Humanity strives for balance, a symbiotic relationship with our living world. This planet, our home, is a living miracle, a testament to resilience, adaptation, and the sheer tenacity of life, and we are its custodians. Every thread woven into this intricate web, from the smallest insect to the tallest tree, tells a story of survival and transformation. From the smallest stream to the vastest ocean, water continues to be the lifeblood of our planet, sustaining every breath, nurturing every form. From fire to the first breath, Earth has journeyed through unimaginable transformations, each shaping its incredible legacy. It is a story that continues, written in the ebb and flow of tides, the rise and fall of mountains, and the endless, vibrant dance of life. The long journey from fire to the first breath has led to this moment. The future of Earth and all life upon it rests in our hands. The story of Earth and life is not just a tale of the past. It is a continuous narrative written in the very fabric of the universe. From fire to the first breath, a journey of billions of years, unfolding within the boundless majesty of the cosmos.
From chaotic fire, a vibrant world emerged. Every atom, every drop, every breath, part of an unbroken chain of cosmic serendipity. A cosmic ballet spanning billions of years, from the fiery birth of stars to the intricate dance of life. A breathtaking journey, forever echoing through time. Even today, hidden worlds thrive in the deepest abysses, where life draws energy not from the sun, but from Earth's ancient heat. From the dark deep to the sunlit shallows, life blossoms in countless forms, a testament to diversity, interconnectedness, and evolution's artistry. Every tiny interaction, every buzzing bee, every fluttering petal contributes to the delicate balance that sustains our world. Within every living being, the echoes of the first breath persist. In the intricate dance of cells, the building blocks of our very existence. Our planet breathes, its atmosphere a dynamic canvas of wind and water, a testament to the colossal forces that continue to shape it. Deep beneath the waves, in crushing darkness, life persists, evolving incredible adaptations to thrive where no sunlight can reach. From temperate woodlands to ancient giants, Earth's forests stand as living cathedrals, breathing life into our world, sheltering countless species. Even in the harshest landscapes, life finds a way. Deserts bloom with resilience, a testament to adaptation's relentless ingenuity. The very mountains continue their slow, majestic ascent. Geological forces perpetually at work, shaping and reshaping our world. Rivers, the veins of our continents, carry life-giving water, nurturing ecosystems and fueling the cycle of renewal. And in the quiet of the night, humanity's presence gleams, a network of light, a testament to our ingenuity, our interconnectedness. The quest for understanding continues. Through science, we unravel the intricate code of life, seeking to comprehend our own extraordinary origins. And our gaze now turns to the stars, searching for kindred spirits, for other worlds where the miracle of life may also have taken hold. Perhaps, in time, humanity will truly achieve a harmonious existence, living as stewards of this precious planet, not just inhabitants. Or perhaps our journey extends beyond Earth, carrying the spark of life and consciousness to new frontiers, seeds of a cosmic future. In the boundless universe, our Earth remains a singular wonder, a pale blue dot brimming with the miracle of life, a universe within itself. And in the gaze of a child, the echoes of the first breath connect with the infinite, recognizing the wonder of our cosmic inheritance. Every star, every nebula, every whisper of gravity, part of the colossal story, the grand design that birthed life and consciousness. The very first breath, taken billions of years ago, echoes in every living thing, in the pulse of our planet, and in our own beating hearts. And so, the journey continues, an eternal dance of creation and evolution, a testament to the extraordinary odyssey from fire to the first breath. And so, the cosmic ballet continues, a symphony of creation, always beginning anew, in the heart of every star, every atom, every breath. The long, improbable odyssey, from the birth of a fiery planet to the conscious breath of humanity, continues into an unfolding future. The story of Earth and life, forever unfolding, an infinite narrative in the heart of the universe. The journey from fire to the first breath is eternal.